Okay, so we're saying the elements in A union B complement will be all those elements that are in the union, but they are not in what? A union B. So we see that A union B starts from -3 all the way up to 5. So it means that in the A union B complement, we are just going to have -5, -4, and the 6. Okay, so I'm going to write here -5, -4, and the what? 6. So these here will be our elements in the A union B complement. So now we have to show that even the A complement intersection B complement will contain these same elements. Okay, so the first thing to do is to find the A complement, and then you find the B complement, and then you intersect them. Okay, so we are going to say A complement, or first we start with the A. Okay. Okay, so let's rub this here and put this complement aside here. Okay. All right, so let's say A union B complement. We found that this was just -5, -4, and then what? 6. This is what we found here. Okay, so now let's list A and then to try to get the A complement. Okay, so the set A was from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so this is the A that we had. So now we want to find the A complement. Okay, so the A complement will be all the elements in this universal set, okay, that are not in the what? The set A. So we see that in the set A, we have from -3 all the way up to 3 here. So it means in the complement, what are we going to have? We're going to have -5, -4, okay? And then we're going to have 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to write 4, 5, and 6, okay? So this here is our A complement. So I'll write it here, the A complement, okay? So we have -5, -4, we have 4, we have 5, and then we have 6. So this is the A complement, okay? And then we can also try to find the B complement, okay? And then we intersect the B complement and the A complement to see if they are going to be equals to this guy here, okay? So what was our set B? So set B was equals to, okay? So set B was starting from 0 all the way up to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so it means what? It means that our B complement here, we're going to contain what? Okay, we see that, let me use another color here. We see that starting from 0 here, all the way up to 5 here, okay, this is the set what? B. So the set B complement will just be all these elements that are outside this first red line that I drew, and this one. Okay, so it means in the B complement, we have -5, -4, we have -3, we have -2, we have -1, and then we have 6. Okay, so this is our A complement and this is our B complement. Now let's find our A complement intersection what? B complement. So we're just getting elements that are common to both these two sets. We can see that the -5 is common, the -4 is common, and the 6 is common. Okay, so now ask yourself, is this set equal to this set? We can see that they are equal, right? Okay, so you can say hence verified, okay, that A union B complement is just the same as A complement intersection B what? Complement. And this is equal to the set -5, -4, and then 6. Okay, so we have verified here. You can write hence verified. So any questions there on how to verify the Morgan's laws? Okay, if there are no questions, I'm going to solve the last question, which is question number 10. Okay, and it's also on the set operations. Okay, so I'll say question 10 here, and then let's read the question. So question 10, they're saying if A is a set of all the x's such that x is an integer and x is even, okay, that's the first condition, and x is between 1 and 10, okay? So this means that the elements in this set are all the integers between 1 and 10 that are what? Even numbers, okay? And then B, they're saying it's a set of all the x's such that x is divisible by 3, okay? And x is between 1 and what? 10. And then they're saying find A minus B. Okay, so we have to interpret this set here, and we also have to interpret this set here. List out the members of this set, list out the members of this set, and then we'll be able to find our what? A minus B. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, so let's interpret the first one there, which is set A. Okay, so set A, okay, they're saying x is an integer. Okay, and then they're saying x is an even number. Okay, so MAT2, 4, 6, those such numbers. Okay, such that x is between 1 and what? And 10. So this is the definition. So from this, we can see that our set A will contain what numbers? What numbers between 1 and 10, okay, are even numbers. 2 is an even number, and it's between 1 and 10, okay? We can see that 4 is an even number, 6, 8, and the 10 itself, okay? So this here will be our set A. All the numbers that are even, and those numbers are between what? 1 and 10, okay? And then from here, we get our set B now. Okay, so our set B, we said x is an integer, okay, such that, okay, x is divisible by 3. I'll just write dv, okay? So it's divisible by 3. So meaning if I divide x by 3, I don't expect myself to find a remainder. And then the other condition is that x should be between what? X should be between 1 and 10 as well, okay? So what numbers between 1 and 10 are divisible by 3? Those are the elements that are going to be in this set B, okay? So we're going to see that set B will just contain what numbers? 3 is between 1 and 10, and it's divisible by 3, okay? When you divide 3 by 3, you don't get any remainder. We also see that 6 is divisible by 3, and 9 is divisible by 3. And all these numbers are between 1 and what? And 10. So you have those two sets that you want now. This is the first set, and then this is the second set. And then we are asked to find A minus B. Okay, so A minus B. So how did I say it's to find A minus B? We just want all those elements in A, okay, but removing all the elements that come from B. So I said you would first list down the set A here. Okay, so A, it was 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. This was our set A. And then from this set A, we're going to remove any elements that is in what? In set B. So we see that 6 is here and 6 is there. So we're going to remove this 6. So it means our A minus B, okay, will just be what? Will just be 2, 4, 8, 10. Okay, so this is our A minus B. So any questions there, guys? Any questions there?
So on this one is clear. Now I don't know if I can ask another question, but not involving any calculation, but it's just about when are we going to have again this lesson? Is it the same day, same time, or there will be another day within this week?
Okay, so I'm going to communicate in the group. Okay, I'm going to communicate in the group. In case we want to have another lesson, I'll communicate in the group. Okay, so just follow the updates in the group. Okay, so this has been Tutor Poul from IQ Academy. And then, as I said, we we offer extra lessons, okay, to those that are taking NS, okay? So I'm going to show you the drive here. So this is our drive. It contains a lot of videos, a lot of materials that you can use for understanding whatever you're going to learn, okay? So if I go in this folder here, I once shared this folder with you, okay? So in this first semester here, okay, I go there. I want to find these 4 folders, okay? You can see there's math, physics, chemistry, and biology. So in all these folders, there are videos there for each topic that you're going to learn, okay? They are also solved tutorial sheet. There are sample exam papers, okay, both written and the videos, okay? So if, for example, you go into the math folder here, okay? Well, we are going to find these folders here. So in the first folder there, that's where we have the lessons and the tutorials, okay? And then here we have handwritten notes that are summarized, okay? And then here we have the tutorial that you are going to be having, okay? If we make solutions, if they are written or the video form, we're going to put them in this folder, okay? And then for the past papers, the quiz, the test, they will be in this folder. And then for that, the general data, okay, we put it in this folder here. So if, for example, you go into the lessons and tutorials here, you're going to find different topics. Most of the things that you're going to do will be set theory, okay, in the first semester. You're going to do set theory and the functions. So if you go into any folder here, you can see whatever I was teaching today, I've already taught it, and the videos are there. So if you go, for example, sets of numbers, you find the notes and the recorded tutorials here, okay? So you can open any of them, okay? You read the notes here. These are our notes, and you can also watch the recorded tutorials here, okay? And furthermore, we also have a YouTube channel, okay? We have 2. We have one for Tutor Poul solutions. You can search it. And then we also have the other one, written Tutor John official, okay? So for you to have access to this drive here that contains all these learning materials, okay, you need to subscribe to our services, okay? So for those who want to subscribe to our services, you are very much welcome. You can inbox me on WhatsApp, or then I'll send you the procedure on how you can subscribe and then gain access to all these materials here, okay? Otherwise, that's all for today, okay? Have a blessed night and continue studying, okay? Don't relax because you're just starting. No, the pressure will start building up, okay? But the time you realize you're almost writing tests and it will be difficult. So start studying right from the start, okay? Be strong right from the start, and then you enjoy your academic year, okay? So if there are any questions, you can ask me before I end the class. Okay, so meaning there are no questions. All right, guys, so have a blessed night.